William.
What's my daddy's name?
Yeah, but no. Isn't it George?
What? William. Carter's Liam. My dad's name.
What happened?
Carter's William?
This is crazy.
Liam. Oh, my short name.
You guys, it's the day of my bridal shower finally. Look at me. Hi. Wow, like I did. I saw. She would have must bring rum cake. This is so pretty. Oh, I gotta send you guys the link for the I seen this yesterday. I was gonna tag you in it because I see somebody do it for theirs, and I was like, let me send it to Kavisha. The wreath thing. Okay, ready?
I'm gonna turn the volume down.
So I have to read the memory and guess who it is.
Read the memory and guess who it is. Okay.
All right. So the first one is, hi babe. Remember your birthday party at your building at your
That was easy. That was really easy.
It was. No, it wasn't. Yeah, it was. It was, because Kavisha, I don't think
Are they supposed to be hard?
yeah, it would definitely be. Who else is in the same grade as me that could come to my birthday party? Bye.
Wow, what is that?
Wait, we trashed the damn house.
That's very vulgar. Who said
I
that?
can't say the word, but we trashed the damn house. Which house?
How many houses have you trashed? You have to read the whole thing. No swear words. Oh.
Yeah, I can't say that part. Can I come back?
No, you gotta guess. Oh, you have 3 guesses.
Wait, we trashed the damn house.
Whose house did you violate, Zoe? Let's hear this.
I was a good child. I never did anything bad.
Like I bet you
Why do you think it has to be like when you're a child?
But I mean, like, if I trash somebody's house, like I had to be like, like a teen, young 20s, you know what I'm saying?
Right, that's it.
I'm 30. I'm 30. We trashed the damn house. I mean, we set this house on fire. This one?
You said house on fire. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
I don't know. I'm gonna come back.
I don't know what it is.
Okay, I don't know. I said shim.
Oh, then you're wrong.
Okay,
So you take a shot.
Where is it?
Who's
this? Which house did we trash?
My house.
Oh! Kanisha! When I moved out!
Okay, I'm back with your shot. Next
My house!
That's hilarious.
And the I just thought you were like saying that I am a... I didn't remember that that's what I wrote. Oh. That's funny. Good one. Good one. When we were in your cousin's friend's car smoking, and you were freaking out in the back because you thought you saw Jesus. He's killing you. Really? Wait. My cousin's friend's car. You don't remember when you thought you saw Jesus? Are you kidding me? A few times. Old down were our best days. That's Kanisha. Yes, we're having a reunion. My best memory of you is in 2014. Wow. You're a vibrant personality who's uplifting during a dark spot, I guess. You made jokes. And what? Who wrote this? Navigated the crazy. How do you do it? You made it enjoyable during those. Okay, not really a memory, but thank you for letting me use your ID to get into clubs when I was underage since we look so much alike. Yesterday, big up yourself.
Wait, she needs to take 2 shots.
What?
Oh! Hennessy or Appleton?
Can I have a little plastic cup then? Plastic cup then? Come, what a Dollar Tree.
Tequila or Hennessy? Which one do you want?
Hennessy.
Just don't have a box.
Hennessy,
None of the
Appleton,
above. Ginger ale.
I remember a time when I
watched one of your videos and I sent you a picture of you crying in the office.
I know, they have a little house over here though.
Oh, okay, this is definitely one of my subscribers. They watch my videos. Which one? Are you saying we don't watch your videos? No, you don't.
Yeah, we do.
Which one we post recently?
What did you post recently? The Airbnb? Yeah?
Oh, you look intelligent. Watching the Jamaica vlogs. Guess who? Come on, guys. Come on. Watching the Jamaica vlogs. Guess who? Everybody's watching them. That's cheating.
But you
No, that's easy. No, that's easy. Everybody.
This
This is so fast. I've known you less time than your mom and longer than anyone here, and you used to rock out this so much hair.
Stephanie, you were right. She's gonna laugh.
Yeah, that's funny. Okay. A memory I have with you was coming over to braid my hair every 2 weeks because I can't braid, so I guess my kid. Yeah, alright, Chanel. Chanel? I already had one. No, you didn't. I did one. Okay. Listen.
I thought it only could be one of us. I got here.
Okay, this is Rochelle. I think. Applejack, never have I ever marshmallows. Yes. Woo. Wait, what? Oh! Stephanie! Oh my god, this dress is $4? Just buy the whole store. Urban behavior for life.
I don't know why mine got grouped together.
That's so funny. Oh god. Okay, I won.
Play another game.
Okay. That was fun.
Here's the bride to be. Gets her a long way. Yeah. Oh, my ear dropped.
My maid of honor. Anyway, she's there. Yeah, girl, I love you. Thank you. Thank you. That's the spirit. Yes. See the next one here. Big up yourself. Wait, what we call this one here? It's not close here. What you want? Close up? All right, Mago. Next side. Next side. And Vogue. And Vogue. And Vogue. Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. I know you're trying to leave, but excuse me, miss. Ooh.
Real husband.
No, my real husband is Joel Tingling.
You say you don't really dance, don't worry about it, you just 1, 2 step, 1, 2 step. Now with the music, it's moving too fast. Grab my hair a little tighter, throw your hair a little closer.
From who?
From Miss.
To Mistress.
Isn't it Mistress?
From Mr. to Mrs. Sorry, I didn't. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna eat though. This is my food.
Who catches her first watching TV?
What?
Who falls asleep Oh.
Hey, you can't do that. That doesn't count. Pick a shoe, girl.
Wait, which one is it? No, you can do both.
No, you can't.
No, she chose both.
No, you have to choose one. You can't choose both. That doesn't count. And plus, we need tiebreakers.
What's the question? Who's the early bird? Oh.
So there is one person?
Pick one.
One person. There's one person for this.
They both chose Zoe.
That's right.
The final question is, who mentioned marriage first?
That was both.
No,
Both?
you can't pick one.
No, it was both because it was a discussion.
Who said first?
It wasn't like
Who started
You brought it up. You brought it up.
me can't remember.
You didn't remember.
I don't remember.
Yeah, Colin.
Call a friend. Call a friend.
Go ahead.
Call a friend.
What a phone.
It's right here.
Well,
Is this the last question?
Yeah, that's the last question.
Tally it up though. Well,
This is it's tallied.
so we're just waiting for the tiebreaker?
No, I mean,
The phone not ring.
let's see what his answer is.
Yes, exactly. And the driving one, let's see what the answer is.
No, definitely by far. Nobody needs to ask.
Yeah.
Babe.
It's probably burning.
Babe.
Yeah.
Okay, we're playing a game. Walana, we're playing a game.
Unruly Steph wants to know, okay? We're playing a game of who, it's you either choose between you and Zoe when we're asking people questions. The question and the tiebreaker end of the game is, who brought up marriage first, you or Zoe?
Oh, bring it up.
No, who
Bring it up.
brought it up first?
You?
Yeah, I'm thinking I.
Alright, so cute.
Good answer. Okay, bye. Okay, I'll call you back after, okay? Bye.
Announce the winner.
Drum roll.
Oh, me can't count. Hold on. 5, 10, 18. Oh, wait, 13. 5, 10. Oh, Nisha. Yeah. Did I count it right? This is 12 and 13, right? Okay, yeah.
wow, just by one.
By one. Yay! Prizes! What? Oh, yeah. Let me see.
All right.
The best host ever. Rotten.
All right, we're 5 minutes starts now.
5 minutes starts.
What start? Okay, so you hold. Let's do
Make sure my mother not tripping up on the toilet paper, people. OMG. This is so funny. What is this crowd? This funny man. Toilet paper.
You guys have 2 minutes.
He has more toilet paper.
Your mom is out.
Her what? Her mom? I don't mean I make the dress. Let me make it. All right, Tifa, come. Ready, girl. Hold on, it's coming, girl. It's coming. See here. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. All right, who's two? Who's two? Who's two? Two. All right, tell it, come. Yes, girl. Number three. Who's three? Mommy. One.
One member from each group sell the dress to Zoe.
Hold on.
Zoe, and you keep in mind what dress is staying together.
Yes, girl. No, me, I keep all of that in mind. I keep all of that in mind. Because I can't. No, because me can't fall apart on my wedding day. You mad? You mad?
It's supposed to come out at the end of the night.
True. Before the end of the night. All right, group one. Group one, come. Spokesperson.
All right, Ashley.
Okay, so our model has so it's interchangeable straps. You can do one strap, or you can do two straps.
Okay.
At first you had the two strap, but now she's showing it.
Okay.
Sarah has a nice veil in the back, so you know. Yes.
Okay.
We have a little mermaid. So
Wow, wow.
little mermaid.
Wow, wow. Wow, wow. Come right out. Yes, girl. You come right out. All right, group two. What group two?
All right, so this is the Liberite dress. Liberite dress.
Me eat you. Me eat you.
All of the people apart,
Yeah, cause them a mash up Jamaica.
we have our short dress.
Oh, so it detaches. It detaches.
Whatever. You know, like she's ready.
Yeah. 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 Group tree. All right, come sell group tree.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen.
Whoa, whoa.
Have you guys seen our dress did not fall apart?
Whoa, whoa.
Which
Whoa, whoa.
means when you're walking on the aisle, you'll stay together.
Talk truth.
Mommy has on some pitchy patchy dress. At least we're staying together.
Okay.
We have a lovely one strap and you have this little bowl thing like you can pull it up.
Whoa, whoa.
We have a bouquet of flower here. It's from Costa Rica.
Mama. I'm dying. Yes. Whoa, whoa. Okay. Wow. No, man. Una very versatile with that one here. Yes, Vesta. Turn around. This nice. This ababos. All right, mommy, you can't turn around now. You can't All right, number 4. Nobody not sell a dress. I'm done.
This is a family
Skirt is nice too.
Sit together.
Wow, really? That's really passed down. The truth. Really passed down the truth. No, I agree. Woo! I'm in love splits. Me love splits. Just tear it out. Yes, girl. Yes.
What?
They didn't even try. It just wrapped around. We won.
Yeah, that African one is nice still. You can't lie.
Why?
You guys will need to be a man.
Your face me on YouTube.
Okay, babe. You know, like for a long time, we've been in this together. You know, he's had my heart forever, and I just want you to know that I can't live without you anymore. Will you marry me?
Who next?
Wait, are we pretending to be Jules?
Who's next?
Pretend to be Jules. Go. So you pull up to the airport, right?
See me, yeah.
Go to walk, go.
No, lies. Tell me something truthful. Oh.
I said I love you.
Yeah.
And I wish you all the happiness. You're very happy and excited. And, you know, my mother always tell me, the journey is as good as the destination.
Okay. All right, Miss Vi. Okay, Miss Vi.
So I hope and I'm praying that you will, you know, have a good life. And I know, I don't even know what
Give you a grand.
There's 6 of
I know
y'all.
whatever you want to be achieved in life.
Amen.
Like I know you're very stubborn.
Amen.
And I know if you love Joel that much, I know everything will work.
Oh, thanks, Mom.
I'm ready to tell you, and I give you my blessing from a long time ago.
Thanks.
And whatever you do, I'm there for you.
Thank you. Oh, I'll cry. Don't do that. Don't do that. Thank you. Okay. See, that's it. I'm done. We're done. job done. Like, we can't manage. We can't manage them some dear.
You said I didn't talk yet.
Y'all worse.
Oh, God.
It's worse, Sarah. Oh my God. To catch you.
These things. Like, tell me how you really feel. You know, call me a bitch today. Oh God. Okay, who's next? Who's next? Go.
Okay, I'll go. Oh God. I'll keep it short. Zoe, I just want to say congratulations. Thank you. It's been a very long journey, and I'm so happy for you that you finally found happiness. Because you know you deserve it.
Oh my God, can you look at your face?
You know, when Joel gets here, I want many grandkids. I meant godkids, yes. You'll be an awesome mom and an awesome wife.
Thank you.
And yeah, I just want you to keep God, you know, like in your relationship, because when trouble comes, just keep God first.
And then I have a phone number too, so I don't know yet.
There you go. Don't call me, please.
Me call you. Not me, Joel will call you.
But yes, I just want to wish you, like, you know, like congratulations. I love you. It's been a long road. And yes.
Long. Thanks, Mother Butter. I love you too. Thank you so much.
Kamisha, you want to add anything to that?
Congrats, Boo. I'm so proud of you and I'm so happy for you. No one deserves this more than me, I'm telling you, honestly. Because you love hard. And Joel is so lucky to have you, and I like him too. He's such an amazing guy. So hard.
Thank you.
He comes and you already know.
Don't know.
She said he's
For you again.
Thanks,
congrats, sis.
Congrats.
Okay.
And my sentiments couldn't be, I agree 100%. Nobody deserves this more than you. I hope that you had an amazing day today. We look forward to celebrating you more because you do so much for other people. You're so selfless. You're so generous. Yes. I'm crying too. Zoe's always there when you need her. Always. And she doesn't complain, she doesn't say nothing, she's just there for people. And I know it's not just for, I know for sure it's not just us, but I'm sure it's for so many people. So we all love you very much.
Thanks,
You deserve it, we love you, and I hope that we can show you how much we love you. And
I can't take it.
And we're so happy for you because you do deserve it, and you love and you inspire us all to love love. Even though you know love can hurt, and sometimes you feel shit, right? And if you can love as much as you love, you inspire us all to love love. So thank you for that too, okay? Because we all need that too in our lives. So we love you and we celebrate you, and we're all very excited for you and your journey. Cheers!
On this long ass journey of crazy shit going on. Sorry. You know, I wish you the best and all the blessings in your life going forward, and I love you. Thank you, baby. I love you too.
You know, I've known you for all my life. Practically twins.
Amen.
Yes, so I'm so happy for you. And you and Joel are gonna have an amazing life together.
Truth.
Hopefully forever and ever.
And hopefully forever and ever. Speaking of twins and sis. Yep.
Thank you for saying that.
Yeah, girl.
And babies, of course. Giving you the blessings now.
Yeah, girl. The three sets of twins. The 3 sets of twins. The 3 sets of twins.
That's what you say now. That's what you say now.
Congratulations, my cousin.
Thank you, cousin. I love you.
tired.
One is intoxicated. Where's the next one?
We love you.
That's obvious.
Short
So I don't know you as long as a lot of people in this room do.
That's fine.
But being in this room, I can tell how much you are loved, how much you are completely blessed with your family and all these friends. I wish you nothing but the best. Thank you, baby. You and Joel, I got my show completed.
Talk truth.
We're gonna lock it down.
Talk truth.
Forever and ever.
Ever and ever. Whether we're here or in Jamaica.
Just give her a microphone.
She like, you want to host?
I don't want to cry.
Okay, all right.
I'm shy. I'm low-key shy.
Go on my YouTube channel with how much thousand subscribers?
I know, I'm shy. Anyways, so me and Zoe go way back from high school days. She's literally like my bodyguard, okay? We had our ups and downs, but I'm happy that we're here to celebrate, you know, this whole blessing that we're both going through. Like, it's just so weird because, you know, growing up, you always think about getting married and falling in love and all that stuff.
Right.
Like, I'm just so happy to see you glow and just be so happy, Zoe. You don't even know.
Stop! Don't do that! Stop it!
It's okay to be vulnerable.
No!
It's okay.
Have a moment.
Look here for my feet. No! Oh God.
So, like, me and Zoe is coming from far. We know our personal stuff, and I'm just happy that I'm here with you to celebrate this moment.
I agree.
Joel is so sweet. Like, literally, you literally glow, okay? That is how we know you are in love, okay? You're so happy. But like she said, just make sure you guys keep God in the center of your marriage. Do not invite anyone into your marriage. You guys are arguing, try to work it out. Pray for each other and be there for each other. I'm telling you this, it's working for me right now,
Yes,
so I'm
girl.
passing it on to you.
Yes, girl.
Just enjoy every moment. You guys be happy together. Continue to love each other. And like I said, just keep God in the center of your marriage, okay?
All right.
I love you.
Wow. No man. Me never know someone like me like this. Y'all know. Like, on the note of toast, thank you guys for coming. For those of you who know the history, wanna know everything what I got through. So for me to be here, happy, healthy, you know, like
Happy.
the one lesson that I learned was like, yo, if I'm ever gonna be with somebody, they have to, if not equally, they have to be into me more than I am into them. They have to fight for me just like I want to fight for them.
Amen.
And I feel like Joel, like, I don't know what God was doing when he created him, but honest to God, everything that I prayed for in a man, like, that is exactly what I got and more. Like, Joel, there's no words to describe the person that I get to spend the rest of my life with. He loves me unconditionally, no conditions whatsoever. So saying yes and
That's
getting married to him, like, you know what I'm saying? You know, everybody feel like when you find somebody and everybody wants to say, yeah, them want things and or whatever. Not everybody's the same.
everybody
You have to
like
try love. Everybody's story is not gonna have the same ending. Whatever happens. If you come here and they mess up, that's it. We just kill it and that's it.
We're all bringing shovels.
You got a nice big plot back there.
Yeah. They'll never find him. Make sure he knows.
I'm not even putting that out there. I think we will honestly be perfectly fine, and I can't wait to honestly celebrate this union and for everybody to like literally meet him and get to experience his vibe like I've been able to. So I thank you guys so much for coming today and sharing in this moment with me, because like, if anybody didn't want to know why, I mean. And I literally get to do it now with the most amazing person. So thank you guys so much for being on this journey with me, for your love and your continued support. I do. Yeah, whenever that is. Then COVID to go away, so we can plan the things properly. The toast alone is amazing. Okay. Don't drop it. No. There's something you're eating up and you see them kind of cake, yeah. Metro you go for mine. So somebody's supposed to bird feed me?
No, not here. Not here.
Yes.
It's not here.
Yeah, no, I mean, you're here.
Is that mouth to mouth?
What?
Time to go home. Time to go home. No more alcohol for you. Hey guys, so I am home from the bridal shower. You guys, literally, as you guys can see, I hope I caught enough footage because I honestly was just trying to live in the moment. But thank you, Nisha, for taking over the vlog every now and again. And I don't remember who else. I think one of my maid of honors was also picking up. Everybody just kept asking me to vlog. So thank you to everybody who was there today that reminded me. I did. Thank you to everybody who reminded me to pick up my camera and vlog. I was, again, just in the moment, you guys. Like, it's only one time you get to have these events. Fingers crossed. And this is the first time like I've been able to actually have an event like revolve around me, like unselfishly, you get what I'm saying? So I literally just wanted to bask in the moment and yeah, like enjoy it with my family, my friends, some of my supporters that watch and subscribe to me here on YouTube were there as well. It was amazing. Oh my gosh, like my heart is full. Like the speeches, like I don't know. I'm about to read my cards. Like, I just can't believe like today happened. Like I've been dreaming about my bridal shower for so long. And now that it's come, it's gone. It's like, yes, like wedding time now. Like wedding time now. I'm so freaking happy. My maid of honors did the most amazing job. Kamisha, Nedra, I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Big up on yourself. Stephanie, my bridesmaid, big up yourself. I love you guys. Absolutely love you guys. Everything you guys did today, like it was way more than I expected. Like I already knew you guys were gonna put out for me, but damn, you guys overly exceeded yourself. The weather didn't agree with us because of the wind, but at least it didn't rain like it was supposed to. So I am super grateful for that. I loved it, every minute of it, like every single minute of it, you guys. From I walked into the space till I left, like it was just such good vibes. The games, everything, it was just such amazing vibes. I hope you guys enjoyed my bridal shower as much as I did. Comment down below, you know, anything. I love you guys. Thank you so much for coming along this journey with me. It's been long. I feel like it's super drawn out now, but what can we do? COVID came and mashed up my life. COVID, you mash up my life. You mash up me life. You mash up me life. But some good came out of it as well. But yeah, I'm see you now, babe.
Mash up my life.
People have little sound in them throat. Yeah, girl, my man can't sing. My man's voice have a buzz. I want to, but yeah. Yeah, whatever. Anyhow, as I said, I'm super exhausted, you guys. I'm going to my bed. I will see you guys next time, whenever that is. And whatever that is. Again, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.